माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी।
Namaskar ji. Now, yes, papers to be laid on the table. Sri Vedaru Dattatreya.
I beg to lay the papers on the table of the House mentioned against my name at serial number 1 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Dharmendra Pradhan.
Sir, with your permission, I raise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, I rise to lay the table of the House the paper listed against her name in serial number 3 in the today's revised list of business.
Sri Haribhai Pratibhai Chaudhary.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं सदन की आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 4 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष उल्लेखित कागजातों को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Report of the Joint Committee of Offices of Profit. Sri Dilip Bhai Pandya.
Sir, with your kind permission, I beg to lay on table a copy in English and Hindi of the 5th report of the Joint Committee on Office of Profit.
Now, notices for under point of order.
79.
Article 17.
79.
So you are now quoting article before
Yeah.
point of. You never used to do that.
No, I have done many times.
Let me that. Article 17.
79.
79. Okay.
श्रीमान, संविधान ने
हाँ.
79 में संसद का गठन कहा और कहा कि 2 सदन गठित होंगे, एक 80 में राज्यसभा, 81 में लोकसभा। लेकिन दोनों सदनों के सदस्यों का नाम एमपी होगा, दोनों में भेदभाव नहीं हो सकता, ये संविधान ने कहीं नहीं दिया। श्रीमान, ये सरकार जब से आई है, पिछले बार भी सदन में हम लोगों ने इस बात को उठाया था, ये सरकार जब से आई है राज्यसभा में बहुमत न होने के कारण ये सरकार राज्यसभा के सदस्यों के साथ खुलेआम भेदभाव कर रही है। पिछली बार ये उठा कि जिलों में जो समितियां बनाई गई केंद्र के विभागों, सरकार के विभागों द्वारा, उसमें ये लिख के गया कि समिति का अध्यक्ष लोकसभा का सीनियर एमपी होगा, राज्यसभा का एमपी नहीं होगा। श्रीमान, हम लोगों ने इस पर विरोध किया, माननीय संसदीय कार्य मंत्री जी खड़े हुए, उन्होंने कहा नहीं, इसको वापस कर लिया जाएगा और इसको जो भी, चाहे लोकसभा का हो चाहे राज्यसभा का, जो भी सीनियर मेंबर होगा वो लिया जाएगा।
Yes.
अब मैं बता, कोई परिवर्तन नहीं हुआ। विदेश के टूर वाली हमने बात उठाई थी, लोकसभा की स्पीकर तय करती, राज्यसभा के एमपीओ को नहीं विदेश सभा का टूर में भेजा जाता है। श्रीमान, यहाँ तक नॉन ऑफिशियल मेंबर के नॉमिनेशन में हमारी रिकमेंडेशन नहीं मानी जाएगी, लोकसभा के एमपी की मानी जाएगी। स्मृति ईरानी जी जो मानव संसाधन मंत्री हैं, हरदोई गई एक केंद्रीय विद्यालय का शिलान्यास करने, मैंने स्वीकृत कराया था पिछली सरकार में। श्रीमान, उन्होंने ये भी नहीं सोचा कि एमपी राज्यसभा नरेश अग्रवाल वहाँ से आए, एमपी राज्यसभा को बुलाया जाए, ना मुझको इनवाइट किया, ना पत्थर के शिलान्यास में नाम डाला, ना मंच पे बुलाया। मैंने उनके ऑफिस को सूचना भी दी, लेकिन उनके ऑफिस ने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया। ये तो खुलेआम श्रीमान संविधान का एक तरीके से उल्लंघन है, ये तो एक तरीके से हम लोगों के साथ भेदभाव हो रहा है। मैंने इसको सीरियस लिया। श्रीमान, आपको भी सीरियस लेना चाहिए। अगर राज्यसभा जिसका गठन नंबर 1 पे हुआ, आप देखिए 80 में राज्यसभा का पहले गठन हुआ, फिर 81 में लोकसभा का हुआ। हम नहीं इसको कहते कि लोकसभा हमसे जूनियर है, यद्यपि इसको उच्च सदन कहा गया, हम तो भी कहते हैं हम दोनों बराबर हैं। लेकिन जिस तरीके से उपेक्षा राज्यसभा की जा रही है जानबूझकर, वो उसका हम विरोध करते हैं। और श्रीमान, जिस तरह स्मृति ईरानी जी ने जो किया कि राज्यसभा के एमपी, इसका मैं खंडन भी करता हूँ सदन में, और मैं चाहूंगा इससे डिस्कशन हो जाए, सब लोग राजी हो, डिस्कशन होना चाहिए जिससे कि सही चीज।
Let me give my response to your point of order. Now, as far as I know, I think this matter was raised in this house sometime before, and then the honorable minister has given an assurance. Has given an assurance that in committees, when government is forming committees, especially the development committees, rural development, etc., the government will ensure that the chairman of the committee will be the senior-most MP and not the senior-most Lok Sabha member or senior-most Rajya Sabha member, senior-most MP. And the the allegation here is that has been violated. Then also there are similar other allegations also. Some of them have come to my notice also. So I would ask the government to ensure that both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha MPs are treated equally. There should be no discrimination because in the constitution it is Rajya Sabha which is mentioned first. That doesn't mean Rajya Sabha MPs are superior. But in every respect, for all practical purpose, Rajya Sabha MPs and Lok Sabha MPs should be treated equally without any discrimination. The government should ensure that. You have to say something?
Sir,
Okay, all right. Yeah,
I entirely agree with my colleague Naresh Agrawal's point.
and you don't agree with me, what
No,
I said?
one second, sir. Coming to it. I've raised this point earlier. I fully endorse what you said. But I want you to consider one additional point. It's not only the question of equality of members of parliament belonging to Rajya Sabha with those belonging to the Lok Sabha. That is one important point. The other important point is also to treat this house as an inferior house. That goes back to the question of the definition of the money bill.
No, that is in the constitution.
Now, Constitution.
What can you do?
No, sir. I'm raising a point. Please bear with me for a minute. Constitution, finally, in Article 110, gives the authority in the case of a dispute to the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Fine. But before that,
No, speaker has to certify first.
no,
That is the point.
that is the point. I am demanding now the question of the Aadhaar bill that was taken up and defined as money bill. As the chair, you protect my right. Where is that certification from the speaker on what ground? Constitution lists from A to G. There are clauses from A to G. Why a money bill? What should constitute a money bill?
Yeah.
Now, has the Honorable Speaker of the Lok Sabha certified that in accordance with any one of the clauses from A to G, this bill merits consideration as a money bill? Without that certificate here, without such certification here, how am I or how is the House going to accept it?
You can raise it when the bill is taken up.
No, why, sir? I'm raising it as a matter of procedure. Now you have allowed this. No, you please consider, you are the custodian of this house, sitting in the chair. The Constitution of India, which is our Bible, or Gita, or Quran, whatever you may say. The Constitution of India gives you A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are the criteria how a bill should be considered as a money bill. In accordance with the criteria given by the Constitution, has the Honorable Speaker of the Lok Sabha certified that this bill is a money bill? If that certification is not here, then it should not be treated as a money bill.
We will look
Please
into that.
exercise your
We will
authority as
examine
the chair.
that. Yes, we will examine that. Yeah, we will examine that.
सर ये जो नरेश अग्रवाल जी ने जिस इशू को उठाया है, जो मॉनिटरिंग कमेटी और एडवाइजरी कमेटीज डिफरेंट मिनिस्ट्रीज़ की बनती हैं, उनमें ये व्यवस्था हमारी सरकार में नहीं बल्कि पहले से एक व्यवस्था चली आ रही है जिसमें कि लोकसभा के सदस्य को चेयरमैन रखा जाता है। उस समय नरेश अग्रवाल जी ने इस इशू को बहुत गंभीरता के साथ उठाया था और हमने उनसे कहा था कि जो उन्होंने सुझाव दिया है उस सुझाव को हम विभिन्न मंत्रालयों को और सरकार को बताएंगे। ये बात सही है जो आपने अभी कहा कि जो सीनियर एमपीज़ हैं उन सीनियर एमपीज़ की चेयरमैनशिप में जो एडवाइजरी कमेटी और जो मॉनिटरिंग कमेटी हैं उन बननी चाहिए। इस बारे में हम फिर सरकार को इस बारे में जानकारी देंगे। दूसरा विषय जो सेकंड विषय इन्होंने कहा कि जो कार्यक्रम होते हैं
No, that is when
सरकार से संबंधित, सरकार के उद्घाटन से संबंधित उन कार्यक्रमों में जो भी चाहे लोकसभा के संसद सदस्य हों, चाहे राज्यसभा के संसद सदस्य हों या चुने हुए जो विधायक हैं उनको जो है उन कार्यक्रमों में बुलाया जाता है। हमारे सरकार की तरफ से जो भी कार्यक्रम होते हैं उसमें ये एक एस्टेब्लिश प्रैक्टिस है कि सभी जो सदस्य हैं उनको उसमें बुलाया जाए। और अगर कोई पर्टिकुलर घटना, कोई स्पेसिफिक घटना
he has mentioned
माननीय
already.
सदस्य बताएंगे
Yeah.
और लिख के उन्होंने दिया है, तो हम उस मंत्रालय के
See.
उस मंत्रालय के मंत्री से हम उस बारे में
Nakviji,
उनकी शिकायत को
no,
पहुंचाएंगे।
he has already mentioned a particular
Yes, yes,
incident. Now you check up, otherwise ensure that there is a circular to all
ठीक है,
ministries,
we'll try
all
our-
ministries,
Okay.
that in all such functions, both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha MPs should be invited.
ठीक।
Invited. Because, now please, each Rajya Sabha MP has a district which he is taking care of. In that district, if the program comes, he should also be invited, number one. Number two, in committees, a circular should go from the government side, that is the committee, the chairman of the committee will be senior parliament member. And
लेकिन
not,
सर उसमें वो उस मेंबर का नोडल डिस्ट्रिक्ट होना चाहिए।
हाँ,
अगर
ठीक
वो
है,
नोडल
हाँ, that
डिस्ट्रिक्ट
is
है,
enough. I am only saying,
I agree.
yes, I am,
As
okay,
far
that
as
is
the
over.
Sitaram Yechuri ji
Now,
issue
that
is
is over. That is over. Now, that is over, Sri Sharad Yadav ji. That is over. Now, Sharad Yadav ji.
What are you saying?
No, I have already said government should issue circular and ensure that there is no
The
discrimination.
other point I raised.
No, then let the bill come. We will.
No, get the certification.
Yeah.
No, you tell that.
Let-
You'll ask
No,
for
no.
certification.
No, see, they have to come, no, they have to comply with all the constitutional requirements.
Exactly.
All the constitutional requirements.
Yes.
That will be examined, okay?
Yeah.
If there is any violation of the constitutional requirements, that will be examined and.
Yeah. If there is any violation, you
Yeah,
take it up.
certainly.
You will assure the
Yeah, we
The
will
chair
examine
will
that.
take it up.
Yeah, we will examine that, no problem. Sharad Yadav ji. Sharad Yadav ji. Sharad Yadav ji, your suspension notice, you are given notice for suspension of Rule 267. Under Rule 267, suspension notice is in order, not in proper form. Yet, I allow you, you can, not in proper form.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
But then I will go to 0 hour.
नहीं, thank you, sir.
हाँ.
सर, ये जमुना किनारे ये श्री
No, that is,
हरी
no. That,
अध्यक्ष सर, वहीं उसके बाजू में बर्ड सेंचुरी है। ये ऐसा मामला है, हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में ऐसी दिल्ली के ऊपर तबाही का खेल नहीं हुआ होगा। ये कौन लोग हैं जो जमुना का खादर है, जो नेशनल ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल ने पहले से ही इसका आदेश दिया हुआ है कि 25 बरस से ये आदेश है। ये कौन लोग हैं जिन्होंने, डीडीए ने 2 बार इसको कैंसिल किया, लेकिन किस दबाव में। सबसे बड़ी बात है कि एक व्यक्ति के जो कहता है कि वर्ल्ड कल्चरल फेस्टिवल कर रहा, यानी ये आदमी एक आदमी है और देश की फौज आपने वहां लगाई है।
no.
आपने वहां 2 ब्रिज बना लिए।
No, Sharad Yadav ji,
2 ब्रिज बना लिए।
Sharad ji, actually, this issue is in the, I think, in the court already, because in the National
नहीं,
Tribunal it
सर,
is there.
ये-
So what is the
ये
point in
मामला
saying
इस
there?
तरह नहीं चल सकता।
What is the point?
सरकार जो है,
What is the point?
ये अभी
Let the court decide.
मैं ये कहता हूं कि सरकार तत्काल इसको बंद करे, ये तमाशा बंद करे। 1000 एकड़ में खादर में जमुना को नाश करने के लिए, तबाह करने के लिए वहां कई जलमुर्गियां हैं, हजारों अंडे, हजारों एकड़ जमीन सब तरह से तबाह करके इस आदमी का कौन सा फंक्शन कर रहा है? ये क्या तमाशा कर रहा है? क्या तमाशा कर रहा है? बंद करो इसको। बंद करो। ये बंद नहीं होगा तो ये सदन नहीं चल सकता।
सर ये
इसको बंद करना पड़ेगा।
Don't
Sir, ये
criticize
माननीय-
anybody who
Sir,
cannot defend here.
हम लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं।
सर
दिल्ली में ये
माननीय
तमाशा
शरद
हो-
Now,
यादव जी
don't
जिस मुद्दे
criticize
को उठा रहे हैं,
anybody
मुझे
who
लगता है
cannot
वो
come
गैर
and
जरूरी
defend
बात
here.
कर रहे हैं। ये
all
ग्रीन
those are-
ट्रिब्यूनल में
So now,
अभी
that is
विचाराधीन
okay.
है। इस प्रकरण में
What is
एक
it?
व्यक्ति के लिए लगाई जाएगी,
मैं एक मिनट
एक हाउस लगाई जाएगी।
मैं बता रहा हूँ
पूरी जमुना का
आप सुने पहले
पूरी तबाही हो गई है,
चलो जी आई नो
आप उसका तबाह करेंगे।
ये पूरा प्रकरण जो है वो ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल में है
यानी जमुना की
जहाँ
छाती
तक
पर
श्री रविशंकर जी का सवाल है
इसका जो भाव
वो
है
पर्यावरण के प्रति
सारे
पूरी तरह से
environment-
जिम्मेदार है, पूरी तरह से पर्यावरण को
सारे
ठीक
environment-
करने के लिए उनकी संस्था
environment से-
और वो स्वयं
सारे-
काम कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने जो गंगा जी का जिस बारे में बात करी
3 minutes,
लगभग
3 minutes,
5
it is 0 hour.
को साफ कराया है और उनका संकल्प पूरी तरह से देश के पर्यावरण
zero hour
को
है।
सुरक्षित करने का है। उनकी नीयत
शरद
पर
यादव,
शक
that is
करना
zero
ठीक नहीं
hour.
है। जहाँ तक सवाल है
ये क्या
इस
सोच
पूरे
रहे हो?
इस प्रकरण का पर्टिकुलर प्रकरण का ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल उस पर जो है सुनवाई कर रहा है।
Listen.
उनका जो भी कार्यक्रम हो रहा है
It is
वो
a
पूरा
zero-
के पूरा
See,
कार्यक्रम
now
पूरा के
please.
पूरा कार्यक्रम अनुमति के साथ हो रहा है। कोई भी गैर कानूनी कार्यक्रम नहीं हो रहा है।
No. There is no, sit down. I am not allowing a discussion. Please, I am not allowing a discussion on this. Sharaji has given 0 hour notice and 2670 suspension notice on this subject. So Sharaji has only 3 minutes to raise it. No, and only 2 members have given notice for the same. They can associate. Nobody else can say anything. No, you are not given notice. You are not given notice. No, it is 0 hour. No, I told his, no, listen, let me make it clear. See, I told his 0 hour suspension notice is not in order. So what I allowed him is under, his 267 notice is not in order. So what I allowed him is under 0 hour, for which he can take 3 minutes, and 2 more members have given notice, they can associate. Nobody else can say. How can I? Why?
Anybody in the house can associate.
But if anybody can associate.
Yeah.
But all of them standing there shouting, what can I do?
Not shouting.
You can associate.
Yeah,
I
that's
agree.
what. How can you
I
cover
agree.
premises?
I agree.
So while associating,
Yeah, you are associating. Fine.
while
All
associating,
those,
sir,
yes,
sir,
all those who,
I'm asking you,
Yeah.
while associating, you please tell me, can the Indian Army be roped in to assist a private function? Can the Indian Army be roped in to build 2 pontoon bridges leading up across the Yamuna? Can you? I think this is highly irregular. That the army is summoned to create facilities for a private function.
I don't know whether it is
No,
within
that is
the
a
rules or norms. That is, I can't say.
पार्टी का अगर कार्यक्रम होगा
Now-
तो पार्टी के कार्यक्रम में भी सुरक्षा की जरूरत होगी तो हम वहाँ सुरक्षा देंगे।
Now-
इसमें प्राइवेट और सरकारी
want to
फंक्शन का सवाल नहीं।
Yes, Ghulam
अगर
Nabi.
कहीं पर भी सुरक्षा की
MS
जरूरत है
after that
तो
MS
सुरक्षा
Gill.
दी जाती है।
After that, MS skill. Now, one second. Abner raised it. Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad. Now, please, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad, this issue is allowed under 0 hour. And let me say, 3 notices were there. Sharad Yadvidis, Aapka and Gills. Sharad Yadvidis raised it. You can associate. You may take 1 or 2 minutes. 0 hour. Yes.
Please don't make new rules. Any person who gives a notice is entitled to speak.
No.
No.
In 0
That is-
hour,
Any person
you
who has
take 1
not
or
given
2
the notice
See,
is entitled to
you take
associate.
1 or 2 minutes.
No.
But in any case,
You are
not more than
making
3
new-
minutes.
Every time you are making new
Let-
rules.
Let us.
I think we shall have
But
to
it
sit
is
in
in
the
0 hour.
committee and see the...
He has given notice. I am allowing him. No, but in 0 hour, he is limited by 3 minutes. No. In 0 hour, he is limited by 3 minutes. Otherwise, you cannot function this house. Every day, okay. See, what you are saying In 0 hour, if he is not limited to 3 minutes, every day he gives notice and nobody will get chance. What do you do? No. No, in 0 hour, for the leader of the opposition or leader of the house. Leader of the house is a minister, he will not raise 0 hour, but it is limited to 3 minutes. No, I said that is in order, not in order. That's what I said. I said I said 267 is not in order. I said I allowed in 0 hour.
267.
No, I said it is notice in. You see the record. I said the notice in order.
रिकॉर्ड देख लीजिए.
Yeah, देखो. I said the notice not in order.
मेरा 0 hour गया.
Yeah. Say. Yeah. Ghulam Nabi ji, not more than 3 minutes. You should.
Sir,
Bear with me.
at the outset, let me say that I am not against any art of living. I am not against any cultural festival. But the question arises, what about the environment, biodiversity, and ecology in this country? It is this government who very recently, the environment minister went to Paris, and there was with a big pump and show, and rightly so, this government became the great champion of environment. But what is happening in the national capital of this country? The National Green Tribunal has asked the Union Environment Ministry, number one, why no environment clearance has been taken for erecting structures on the Yamuna floodplains. Number two, NGT has also asked DDA, who issued the permission for making pontoon bridges over the Yamuna by the army. Sir, is it not true that National Green Tribunal issued an order in January 2015 that all construction activities on Yamuna's bank would be deemed as criminal? So has that been taken into account? And it's more than 1,000 acres of land where the construction and the platform is being constructed. There's large number of diesel generators are being set up, the parking cars, sound pollution. Is it also not true that Delhi police has warned the government of the stampede, pandemonium, and utter chaos? And there's also no permission for the mandatory structural stability certificate. And I'm told that as many as 36,000 artists are going to perform at one time. So after having seen what happened to a stage very recently in Bombay, have all the precautions being taken. And also, now we hear every day that the Pakistan has already sensitized this government of India, that some terrorists have come from the Pakistan and are going to do some activity. Has also been the security. No, this has come in the papers that the police has written. Now I'm quoting the papers. The police has also informed whether this security angle has also been taken into account. So these are very big issues. While saying that I am not against this function, this function would have been held anywhere, but not at the
Okay.
of the. But at the cost of Yamuna, it shouldn't be at the cost
All
of
right.
Yamuna.
Now, Sri M.S. Gill, Dr. M.S. Gill.
Thank you, sir. Sir,
on this subject.
Please,
No, he's
Please let me have my 2
associating.
minutes.
He's associating.
no, sir, count my minutes from now,
Yeah.
because don't disturb
All
me.
right.
Count my minutes, and I'll take 3 minutes. Thank you, sir. Sir, this is not just a matter of urgent importance, it is a matter of the greatest importance to this country. Let us be clear about it. I've been watching it for many days, and are we lacking in any intelligence, all of us, that what they are spouting there, how we will improve the Jamna, how we will improve all the rivers, we have put this, we put that, and there is a vast construction going on. The Indian Army, I come from an army background, sir, the leader of the house. I come from an army background going years and years, my father and brothers all in tanks and generals. How can you say of engineering, engineering to go and with every equipment, we are all seeing it, and yet they say you are not seeing it. How can you send that to build for this? If you send that to build for them, you will build for the Sikhs in Anandpur Sahib across the Satluj.
Yes,
You will build for everybody across every river when we want a Jalsa. The Nirankari Guru has 5 lakhs on the ring road. Now he'll have to be provided. This is wrong. And the sadness is that 65% of Indians are young. But all the olds, all parties here and all parties there, today it has come up somehow, they've been silent witnesses. Normally they have big spokesmen on each TV channel. Nobody came there. There were only 2-3 youngsters, boys and girls, fighting for the Jamna. How can you do this? And we will have to pay for it. Where is the Minister for Rivers? She is fond of the Ganga and the Jamna and all our rivers. I haven't seen her.
Namami Gange.
Where is the Environment Minister? Isn't he supposed to say something to the country? No, nothing. Sir, it started with the Akash Darshan. We all saw it, and it had to be built, and the game is that once you start, nobody can bring it back. It happened in the Commonwealth Games. I am the late minister at the last stage. And by that time, decisions had been taken, and the Games village, miles away from the stadiums across the river, on the floodplain. It was built because, incidentally, I'm worried about the Green Tribunal or any tribunal. Because when the thing is taken to a fait accompli, they say something and then they can't demolish it in the next 2 days, even if they want to. Let us be honest about it. कोई उसको तोड़ेगा नहीं अब, और वो भी कह रहे हैं. And they are calmly saying that in 2 days' time, you can do it. It won't happen. And I'm worried what they will say. Then the Commonwealth Games, it was built and they've been sold. And then the greatest flood came in the Jamna in October. 2nd October 10 was the games opening, and there was still vast river coming. Please use your memory. And what happened? The water went into the games village. And then we as ministers by unthinking TV were being asked, कि ये क्या हुआ? मैंने क्या किया? वो जिन्होंने किया वो हैं? और अब ये तीसरी दफा हो रहा है. He is simply grabbing this.
Okay. All right. Okay, please. Okay. All those who associate, all the names who associate can be added. Yes. See all the hands raised can be added, no problem. Now, Sri Satyanarayan Jaitia.
माननीय उपाध्यक्ष जी, मैं एक अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण विषय सदन के संज्ञान में लाना चाहता हूं। खेल, खिलाड़ी और प्रतिस्पर्धा, हम सबको मालूम है कि इस वर्ष विश्व ओलंपिक हो रहा है, वर्ल्ड ओलंपिक हो रहा है, और इन खेलों में भारत की प्रतिभागिता भी सुनिश्चित की गई है। इन खेलों में प्रतिस्पर्धा के कारण से भारत का नाम ऊंचा हो सकता है, और इसलिए मैं सरकार का ध्यान खेल नीति और उसके कार्यान्वयन के लिए आकर्षित करना चाहता हूं। खेल जहां स्वास्थ्य के लिए जरूरी है,
You made it.
स्कूलों
You made your point.
स्कूल के मैदानों में
शरद यादव
ये
जी
प्रतिस्पर्धा
जो बोलना है बोल चुका है।
खिलाड़ियों की तलाश की जा सकती है,
शरद यादव जी,
और इनमें परस्पर
अरे जो बोलना है बोल चुका है, और क्या
खिलाड़ियों का चयन किया जा सकता है। ये
शरद यादव जी,
जिला स्तर पर, प्रदेश स्तर पर और राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर संभव
बोलना
है।
है जो बोल चुका है, फिर क्या?
इसलिए मेरा आग्रह है कि खेलों के अंदर
Yes, let us listen. Now, Sharad Yadav ji,
खेलों के
listen to
अंदर
the minister. Minister is reacting.
जो वित्तीय
Listen to the
सहायता है,
minister. Listen
जो
to the
संसाधन
minister.
है,
अरे
वो
मिनिस्टर
प्रारंभिक
को
स्तर पर
आप लिसन टू द मिनिस्टर को सुनिए, जो
स्कूलों में
मिनिस्टर
उपलब्ध
इसका
कराना
रिप्लाई
चाहिए।
देते हैं। यस, जयती, आई विल गिव यू टाइम।
शरद जी
मिनिस्टर प्लीज।
जी, शरद जी ने और ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन श्री गुलाम नबी आज़ाद साहब ने और जो माननीय सदस्यों ने जिस मुद्दे को उठाया, मैं पहली बात तो सदन को जानकारी देना चाहता हूं कि इसी समय जिस समय हम यहां पर चर्चा कर रहे हैं, उस समय इस पूरे के पूरे प्रकरण पर ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल सुनवाई कर रहा है। जितने भी वो कार्यक्रम उनके हो रहे हैं, वो कार्यक्रम पूरी तरह से अनुमति के साथ हो रहे हैं, जो भी उपयुक्त अनुमति चाहिए। जहाँ तक सवाल है श्री रविशंकर जी का, उनकी पर्यावरण के प्रति प्रतिबद्धता है। उन्होंने पर्यावरण को ठीक करने के लिए पूरे देश में अभियान चलाया हुआ है। उनकी नियत पर किसी तरह का शक हम नहीं कर सकते। गंगा जी को सफाई के लिए, जमुना जी के सफाई के लिए उन्होंने मजबूती के साथ मिशन चलाया है। न केवल उन्होंने बल्कि उनके साथ हजारों लोग उस मिशन में, पर्यावरण की सुरक्षा के मिशन में लगे हुए हैं। हमें लगता है कि उनकी नीयत पर शक करना हम नाजायज होगा और वो ईमानदारी के साथ पर्यावरण की सुरक्षा के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। जहां तक ये पर्टिकुलर जो इशू है, इसका ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल सुनवाई कर रहा है, उसका विषय करना चाहिए।
अलीगढ़ sit down. What are you doing, Mr. Ali Khan? Sit down. Now please. Sit down, sit down. आप लोग बैठिए। शरद यादव जी मंत्री ने रेस्पॉन्ड कर दिया, और क्या?
मंत्री जी कह रहे हैं ये अनुमति से हुआ। दो जो ग्रीन ट्रिब्यूनल है उसने दो कमेटी वहां भेजी है और उन दोनों कमेटियों ने इसके खिलाफ यानी पूरी तरह से वो दिया है। दो कमेटी भेजी है।
Yes. Leader of the House, please.
मिस्टर शरद यादव जी बहुत वरिष्ठ सदस्य हैं। इसकी सुनवाई यहाँ होगी या ग्रीन ट्राइब्यूनल में होगी? अगर नहीं,
Please. No, listen, please. Listen, please. Please listen.
Sir, the rules of procedure are very clear. If a matter is pending before a tribunal, ordinarily the chair doesn't allow it to be raised in this house. I don't know how, when a parallel proceeding is going on there, how the chair is allowing this issue to be raised here. It can be raised, it's already pending in a court, it can't be raised in the house. The rules are very clear on this.
No, please. No, please. Please. No, please. Sit down. Now you raised this. Government gave his response, now you sit down. Now Satyanaran Jaitia, you raised it, government gave the response, that's all.
मैं खेलों के बारे में
श्री जातिया,
खिलाड़ी के बारे में और प्रतिस्पर्धा के बारे में विषय सदन के संज्ञान में लाना चाहता हूं। हम जानते हैं कि इस वर्ष विश्व ओलंपिक खेलों का आयोजन किया जा रहा है 2016 में और इसके बाद का ओलंपिक होगा 2020 में।
Rule 169 absolutely clear. If it is pending in a court or a tribunal, it can't be raised in the house.
now sit down. No, that is over. I have gone to the next subject. Satyanaran Jaitia.
Yes, sir.
All of you go back. Leader of the House has quoted only the rule. आप जाइए. Now please.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
Now please.
माननीय उपाध्यक्ष,
Leader of the House has only quoted the rules. You go back.
मुझे पूरा समझ
Please go back to your seats. Now I have given the floor to Mr. Jaitia, nothing else will go on record. Jaitia, you proceed. Nothing else will go on record.
मैं खेलों के बारे में आपका ध्यान आकर्षित कर रहा था। मैंने कहा है कि हमारे यहाँ पर परंपरागत खेल होते आए हैं जिसमें हमको पारंगतता हासिल है। हमारे यहाँ पर और तीरंदाजी में, मल्लयुद्ध में, घुड़सवारी में, कबड्डी, खो खो, राटिया पाटिया ऐसे देशी खेलों में और इसके साथ साथ ही हॉकी में, क्रिकेट में, बैडमिंटन में, लॉन टेनिस में हमारी पहचान बनी हुई है। मैं आपके माध्यम से दो बातों पर ध्यान देना चाहता हूँ, दिलाना चाहता हूँ। एक है स्कूल कॉलेजों में खेलों की संरचना में छात्र छात्राओं को अच्छे स्वास्थ्य तथा प्रतिस्पर्धात्मक खेलों में प्रतिभा चयन के लिए अवसर देती है। अतः शिक्षा और स्वास्थ्य का अंतर संबंध है और स्वास्थ्य नियमित शारीरिक व्यायाम आसान योग की विधा से प्राप्त किया जा सकता है। दूसरा, प्रतिस्पर्धात्मक खेलों में प्रतिभावान खिलाड़ियों को चयन तथा उनके प्रशिक्षण के आधुनिक तकनीकी से अभ्यास की सुविधा दिलाना केंद्र सरकार के खेल मंत्रालय तथा युवा कार्यक्रम मंत्रालय को सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए नीति और कार्यान्वयन के लिए पर्याप्त वित्तीय सहायता की आवश्यकता है, जिसकी पूर्ति अवलंबन करने की जरूरत है। मेरा आग्रह है कि साई को स्पोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया को NSDF के लिए नेशनल स्पोर्ट डेवलपमेंट फंड के लिए सभी वित्तीय संस्थाओं को वित्तीय योगदान अंशदान सुनिश्चित करने के लिए कंट्रीब्यूशन करने के लिए मंत्रालय निर्देश दे और साई को समर्थ बनाओ, खेलों में विश्व कीर्तिमान पाओ, इस प्रकार का नारे को सफल करे। भारत को ओलंपिक्स में 2016 के लिए तथा आगामी 2020 के लिए देश को तैयार करना है। मेरा आग्रह होगा कि सरकार और सदन इस पर ध्यान दे। धन्यवाद।
No, please. No, please. No, please. Please. No, please listen. Please listen to me. Rajesh, please listen. No, please listen to me. No, please. Hey, be patient, brother. No, please. Arey, don't do that. No, listen to me. Balgobal. No. Arey, be patient. Why do you want to do this? Ask him. Ask him to sit. Why? Badanur. Ask him to sit. You know what a vice chairman is? You are a vice chairman. VP Singh Badanur. You are a vice chairman. You see, I am standing here. Mr. VP Singh Badanur. VP Singh Badanur, you are a vice. No, shut up. You are a vice chairman. You see, I am standing here. You should know what is the. Sit down. Now sit down. Now, members, please, honorable members. Now, please listen to me, if you want. See, there is no reason for this kind of a. Now, please. Sit down. Now, please. बैठिए ना. उनको बोलो बैठने करने के लिए. उनको बोलो. सुनो. Now please. बैठो ना. You see, I am saying there is no reason for this kind of ruckus in the house. Now please, let me say. Now let me complete. Mr. Seelam, you behave properly. You see, I am on my legs, I am speaking. You are expected to listen to me. After listening to me, whatever you want you do. I don't mind. But listen, see, please, you listen to me. See, there is no reason for this ruckus. Because, now what you people are doing, you don't see I am speaking. Yeah. Minister should behave properly, I am telling you. See, listen, there is no reason for this ruckus. Because the matter was raised by Sri Sharad Yadavji under 0 hour. And 2 more members got given notice. I allowed all the 3. And 3 minutes each, I allowed. Government responded. And in the response, now please, let me see. If it is false, you can invoke the rules and take proper action. Now let me say. Yeah, don't speak when I am speaking. Sit down. Now listen, the leader of the house has only quoted a rule from the rule book. Nothing else he has done. And you don't dispute that rule also. And therefore, what is the rationale of coming and disturbing the house? You tell me, what is the rationale? Tell me, what is the rationale? Now, okay. No. This is unjustifiable. You give notice. You give notice. You give notice. Baba, you give notice. You give notice. You give notice. Now, zero over continuation. Sri Muhammad Nadimul Haq. Sri Muhammad Nadimul Haq. I am continuing with the zero over. I am requesting all members to go back to their seat. Sri Muhammad
Chairman, sir.
This is unnecessary shouting. Sri Muhammad Nadimul Haq.
Towards the delay in appointment of the chairperson and other members of the Law Commission. The Ministry of Law and Justice, via this notification dated 14 September 2016, had notified the constitution of the 21st Law Commission of India for a period of 3 years from September 1st, 2015 to August 2018. Sir, however, almost 6 months have passed, but the government has not appointed the chairman and other members of the Law Commission till date. Sir, the active and regular functioning of the Law Commission is of utmost importance, especially focusing on their role of providing suggestions and recommendations on legal reforms required in a country. Therefore, sir, the aforesaid delay will have an adverse impact on the working of the Commission, as they will have 6 months less to complete the assigned task. Sir, I want to ask this government, why is there a delay in the appointment of the members of the Law Commission, especially when they equate high importance to good governance in our country? Hence, I would request the government to appoint all the members of the Law Commission expeditiously so that the promise of good governance through legal and judicial reform can become operative in nature. Thank you, sir.
Sri Tarun Vijay. Sri Tarun Vijay. Tarun Vijay. Tarun Vijay.
सर, मैं आपके सदन का ध्यान उस ओर दिलाना चाहता हूं जो हिंदुस्तान में कोई काम नहीं करता है, वो सफाई का काम उन दलित लोगों को दिया जाता है जो सीवर में जाते हैं, जो सीवर में जाते हैं और वहाँ स्वच्छता का काम करते करते अपने प्राण न्यौछावर कर देते हैं। वे दलित लोग होते हैं और एक रिपोर्ट के अनुसार एक साल में 22,327 दलित महिलाएं और पुरुष सीवर की सफाई करते करते मारे गए। 22,000 लोग मारे जाते हैं। एक दिन में 2 से 3 ऐसे दलित कार्यकर्ता होते हैं जो सीवर की सफाई करते करते अपनी जान देते हैं। महोदय, गंदगी करते हैं कुछ और लोग, लेकिन सीवर की सफाई के लिए सामान्यतः प्रत्येक घटनाक्रम में केवल वाल्मीकि लोगों को लगाया जाता है। और यद्यपि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि प्रत्येक ऐसी घटना पर 10 लाख रुपए का कंपनसेशन दिया जाए, लेकिन 60-60 हजार के कंपनसेशन दिए गए हैं और एक एक कंपनसेशन लेने के लिए कई साल तक भी अदालतों के चक्कर लगाने पड़ते हैं। ये दलित लोग हैं जो महाराष्ट्र में, राजस्थान में, कर्नाटक में, तमिलनाडु में, विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में इस प्रकार की जान देते हैं। ये 19 साल का लड़का है सर, 19 साल का लड़का दलित जो सीवर की सफाई करते करते मारा गया, और 19 साल का लड़का, और विलुपुरम में, तमिलनाडु में, और लेकिन इसका अभी तक कंपनसेशन तक नहीं किया। आई एम रेफरिंग टू इंडिया, हिंदुस्तान। आप don't do this. And no compensation was given to them. तो दलितों की ये समस्या सुलझाने के लिए मैं चाहूंगा सरकार इसमें जवाब दे और सरकार बताए कि इनकी समस्या के समाधान के लिए क्या किया जा रहा है। सर, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अपने 2014 के फैसले में कहा कि सीवर डेथ्स entering sewer lines without safety gears should be made a crime even in emergency situation. For each such death, compensation of 10 lakhs should be given to the family of the deceased. Identify the family of all persons who have died in sewerage work, manhole, septic tank since 1993 and award compensation of 10 lakh for each such death to the family members depending on them. लेकिन नहीं होता है सर। मेरे पास में I got a letter from Dr. Ambedkar Adi Andhra Scavenger Liberation Forum through M. Pugalanandi. He gave a memorandum, please increase the salary of such sewer workers from 2,000 to 4,000. It's a shame. 2,000 rupees per month, 3,000 rupees per month for those who are cleaning the sewage. I demand government must make a statement on it. Their minimum salary should be minimum 20,000 rupees per month and all Valmikis should be prohibited.
Now, Sharad Yadav ji, क्या है? What is your point of order, Sharad Yadav ji? What is your point of order? आपका point of order क्या है? बोलिए बोलिए. आपका point of order क्या है?
Rule 4, rule of sub judice should apply in regard to proceeding before civil and criminal courts and courts martial in any part of India and not ordinary to other judicial quasi-judicial body such as tribunals. Such as tribunals. So he is misleading the house, which are generally fact-finding bodies. He is misleading.
Okay. All right. Now, Seelam, don't do this. Seelam, behave properly. Don't behave properly, Seelam. No, that's okay. Okay. No, I don't want it. He has raised it. I allowed him, that's all. Come to the next. That is on record, that's all. Shantaram Nayak. That's okay. Shantaram Nayak. Sri Shantaram Nayak. Shantaram Nayak, do you want to raise it? You all, Shantaram Nayak, you want to raise it? Zero over. You are doing a very wrong thing. These are all very wrong things you are doing. What are you people doing? Are you saying?
Yes.
Then do that.
A group of more than 15 men allegedly vandalized a prayer hall that served as a church and manhandled the congregants inside Kocha village on outskirts of Raipur on Sunday. The incident happened at a time a prayer meeting was in progress. It is learned that a man came on motorcycle and shouted slogans like Jai Shri Ram.
Foolish action.
State government said that police are investigating
Unfortunate.
the case with all seriousness. Nobody guilty will be spared and strict action will be taken. When Chhattisgarh is ridden with scams of thousands of crores with respect to public distribution, people have lost faith in state government investigation. Those who have indulged in the act intend to create communal atmosphere in the country with political motives. The matter stems from an issue over the hall being allegedly built on encroached land. Police say that a case was registered and 3 people detained. But land encroachment has been put forward to give sanctity to the saffron agenda. There are different versions on number of people that came, but there was an argument. When they entered, they brought some chairs and fans, and nearly 6 people got minor injuries. 2 of them women. There were about 40 people inside. When the group came, the police arrived on the scene and the group fled. They have recovered 3 motorcycles which are used by police to track the accused. The case against unknown person under section 147, 452, 295, 323 have been registered. When a prominent newspaper reporter visited the spot on Sunday afternoon, the prayer hall was found locked. Locals refused to speak on record out of fear implicating
What are you gaining out of this? You are gaining nothing out of this.
on the
You are becoming
highway, sir.
ridiculous
Mimicking
before the public.
on bikes,
Laughing
and
stock.
shouted slogans.
You are all becoming
and
laughing stock.
pandemonium until police arrived. Return inside.
See Subramanian Reddy.
Sir, about a week back, it was reported in various newspapers that health services in the several government hospitals were affected and nurses went on
You go
strike
back.
and mass casual leave.
You people are becoming
Again, the
laughing
recommendation
stock before the
of
people.
Commission and to demand
Before the
private
country,
stock
I am telling you.
allowances. This has paralyzed the whole hospital services in Delhi and general public patients are put to a lot of inconvenience. As you know, there are more than 40,000 nurses in government hospitals, including hospitals run by municipal corporations, municipal hospitals are affected. What is the nurses in government hospitals, including hospitals run by municipal corporations, government of Delhi and union government? There are 6 major hospitals, North Delhi Corporation. In the East Delhi Corporation, there are many hospitals like respiratory diseases hospitals, maternity hospitals. The major hospitals which are run by central government, namely Southern Hospital, Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital and AIIMS, more than 120 surgeries were postponed due to the same. For instance, 70 routine surgeries had to be rescheduled of surrounding hospitals as 25 operations theatres had to be shut down due to strike. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, around 50 routine surgeries had to be rescheduled and also in other government hospitals. Nurses across the country are on real hunger strike. They have threatened to go on indefinite strike from March 15 if the demand are not met. As Sarojini Hospital, essential services such as the emergency nurses are being handled by nurses who work on contract internet. Nurses play an integral role of healthcare sector. Now the demand of all India Nurses Federation is that this great pay should be increased and nursing allowance, risk allowance, night duty allowance should also be enhanced. Hence I urge upon the Honourable Minister for Health Services to personally intervene in the matter, call for discussion with the Nurse Federation and to strike for resolution of the issue amicably so that the general public will not be put inconvenience and denying health services in the government hospitals due to their strike.
Tiruchi Shiva.
Sir, 5-judge Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court, while modifying its earlier interim order of July 2014, has allowed the state governments to exercise their powers of remission to release the life convicts, sir. And while restoration of the state's powers of remission to release the life convicts under section 432 and 433 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, sir, to release the life convicts. This may be used for considering the release of life convicts who have underwent prison term of 14 years, sir. But it has been given with a rider that those cases which are proved other than the Criminal Procedure Code, either by the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act like that of CBI or TADA, does not allow the state government, sir. Section 435 of the Criminal Procedure Code requires the state governments, when the cases are probed by the CBI or other central act, the state government has to consult the state government. Based on that, the Chief Secretary of the State Government of Tamil Nadu has written a letter to the Home Secretary requesting him to immediately, for the release of which the state government has remitted, sir. Those 7 convicts, life convicts, Shantan, Murugan, Perarivalan, Nalini, Payas, Jayakumar and Ravichandran, who has been languishing in the prison for more than 24 years, have been remitted sentence and they are to be released, sir. The state government has written to the central government for its views, sir. Because section 435 of the Criminal Procedure Code requires the state government to consult the central government. Sir, the 7 convicts have appealed to the state government and the state government has written to the central government, sir. In view of the above, we are expecting the views of the central government under 435 CRPC, sir. Our leader, Dr. Kalangar, has also requested the central government to immediately intervene for the release of those 7 convicts who has been languishing in the prison for more than 24 years, sir. no person can be released, no person can be punished twice for the same offense. Sir, so I request the central government to respond to the request of the state government. Sir, the release of the 7 convicts, life convicts, is very, very imminent. They are being suffering in the prison for more than 24 years. What is it? So the central government has to give their views, sir. What is it? No, sir. Immediately, I think the central government's views are required to immediately respond. Who are you to ask me to sit down? Who are you to ask me to sit down? So the central government's views are required immediately to respond to the letter.
Sri Navneet Krishnan. Navneet Krishnan, yeah.
One minute.
Navneet Krishnan.
I request.
Navneet Krishnan, you start.
Please. 1 minute.
You start.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
You start.
A serious matter. I thank the Deputy Chairman and also a very serious matter. Now, 1 minute, sir. Sir, please, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Please, you start, please.
Our Honorable Chief Minister has written a letter to the Honorable Prime Minister raising objection to the review petition filed before the Supreme Court by the central government regarding the entrance examination for the medical admissions. The Medical Council of India has issued a notification.
Shiva, don't do that. You are Vice Chairman, sit down.
No.
Shiva, you are Vice Chairman, sit down.
Students are affected.
You are Vice Chairman, sit down.
Poor students are affected. Sir, poor students are affected.
Foolishness. Why are you doing all this?
No. Please, then I will ask. Hello? No.
You please say what you want to say.
No.
Navneet, you speak. I can hear. I can hear you speak.
Central government shall not interfere in the state autonomy. There is no entrance in the Tamil Nadu for medical admissions. Poor students will be affected. Hence, we request the central government to withdraw the review petition. Don't introduce any entrance examination for the medical admissions. Please.
Vivek Gupta?
Sir, through you,
Vivek Gupta, yes.
Sir, through you, I want to bring to the House a very urgent matter.
Sir, you speak loud. I can hear you speak loud.
Sir, recently, there was an incident that occurred last week when a 44-year-old man broke into the Gurudwara and spoken in United States of America. Sir, the person committed the crime, desecrated sacred items in the Gurudwara and also tried to damage the Gurudwara. Sir, he was vandalized. He posed as a naked man and vandalized it. Sir, such incidents are also happening within our country also. Sir, the Sikhs have been a pillar of our Indian democracy and have made tremendous contribution to the freedom struggle of this country throughout these years. Sir, through you, I want to urge the government to take urgent steps into the action. The Ministry of External Affairs should get this matter properly investigated and give some comment. And this should be condemned and the action taken should be the highest order. Thank you, sir.
Hussain Dalwai not there. Hussain Dalwai. Now, please, shouting members. No, shouting members. Yes. Shouting members, please go back to your seat. It is going to be question hour. Please go back to your seat. Please go back to your seat. House is adjourned for 2 minutes. Adjourned for 2 minutes.